Right, let us go with the second problem based on the fractions. Right, here let us check out here how many minutes in 3/4 of an hour. Right, we know 1 hour is how many minutes. 1 hour is going to be 60 minutes. Right, the question is how many minutes in 3/4 of an hour. So for 1 hour it is 60 minutes. For 3/4 of an hour, how much? That is what we need to calculate. So 3/4 of an hour, that means 1 hour is going to be 60 minutes. That you need to place it here 60, which is going to give you the answer. Right, now simplify here. So this 60 is divisible by 4. 4 1s are 4 15s are, that is 4 1s are 4, 2 remainder, so 4 5s are 15, or otherwise so you can divide like this also. Right, 4 1s are 4, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, so bring down 0, then 4 5s are 20. Right, or otherwise what you can do, you can divide by 2. 2 2s are 2 30s are, again divide by 2, you will get that answer. That is, now we got 3 into 15, just multiply it here. 15 3s are 45. So 3/4 of an hour means 45 minutes. Option A is the right one.